Hello, sorry the video is late, but anyway, on Friday we corrected the this exercise 2, page 6, which was past simple in the negative. We did the questions and we did this exercise. So I did my homework last night. I didn't do my homework last night. Remember, the negative is in the present, és negatiu. En passat simple, el verb queda en present. Només queda en passat l'afirmativa. Negativa pregunta, el verb està en present. My parents went to Italy for 1 month. My parents to Italy for 1 month. Didn't go. Tommy broke that vase 2 days ago. Tommy didn't break that vase 2 days ago. We gave Mom a bunch of flowers for her birthday. We didn't give Mom a bunch of flowers for her birthday. Number 3, questions. Did Susan sing on a TV program? Did you like reggae music? Did they drive all the way to Sweden? And did your children ride a horse on your last holiday? I després vam fer aquesta. We did this one. Work. In the past, worked, miss, missed, try, tried with I, drink, drank, irregular, walk, walked, cry, cried with I, dance, danced, drive, drove, irregular, copy, copied with I, marry, married with I, happen, happened, eat, ate in the past, irregular, stay, stayed with the same. We don't change it for an I. Mix, mixed, be, was, were, find, found, plan, planned to ends, stop, stopped to peace, build, built, irregular, get, got, irregular, carry, carried with an I, play, played, we don't change it for an I, buy, bought, irregular, give, gave, irregular, enjoy, enjoyed, we don't change it for an I, explain, explained, come, came, irregular, go, went, irregular, rub, rubbed, to bees, travel, traveled, to else, do, did, irregular, have, had, irregular, know, knew, irregular, read, read, s'escriu igual però se pronuncia diferent, és irregular, irregular, say, said, id, irregular, see, saw, irregular, sell, sold, irregular, take, took, irregular, tell, told, irregular, think, thought, irregular, write, wrote, irregular. D'acord? And then what we did was this reading. We started in class, but you had to finish at home. El vàrem començar a classe, vàrem llegir el text i el vàrem traduir. I what you have to do was doing it at home and then uploading the aula. L'havíeu de fer a casa i l'heu de pujar a l'aula, d'acord? Antes de dimarts. Això és el text. Aquest exercici és regular en passat, per tant, no és molt difícil. Aquestes verteu fals, corregir les falses, com els exàmens. Aquest hem de contestar les preguntes segons el test, i en aquesta hem de fer aquestes frases en positiu, les hem de fer en negatiu i en interrogatiu. Recordeu que les frases en was i were, aquestes dues, el negatiu i les interrogatives són diferents de les normals. És a dir, les normals serien he enjoyed the trip, he didn't enjoy the trip, and did he enjoy. Vale, doncs amb was or were, el negatiu és amb wasn't o weren't, they weren't many people, there were many people, i l'interrogatiu és were there many people, d'acord? No feim amb el dit. I ja està, això ho heu d'entregar abans de demà a les 11 del vespre. I després, si no ho heu pujat, m'agradaria que aquí, en el tema 2, pugéssiu aquesta... Aquí, activitats per lliurar, aquestes còpies que vàrem fer per estudiar dels comparatius i superlatius. D'acord? Basta que pugem una foto, no passa res si no la teniu feta en l'ordinador, perquè segurament la teniu feta a mà, d'acord? Doncs recordeu, hi ha el reading, activitats per entregar, I després, en el tema 2, teniu això. Ja sé que molts no ho sabíeu perquè no vareu venir molts a classe, però bé, no passa res, heu d'entrar aquestes dues coses. Aquesta segurament ja ho teniu fet i l'altra, bé, no és molt difícil de fer, d'acord? Well, see you on Tuesday for our last class together. Bye!